one of those sand things that blocks the heat.
Oh, yeah.
Because the hallways are freezing, and it comes
I don't think he wants a shirt on.
right through from the jaw.
Oh.
Cold in the hallway, right?
Here he comes. Oh. Oh. There's the baby. There's the baby. There he is standing up. There he... Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you.
Hey, got no shirt on, huh?
He's distracted.
Yeah.
Did I get you?
Who's that?
No.
No, he's gonna eat it.
Do some more. You're a good player. You're a really good piano player, though. Watch, right? You do. Alex do.
He doesn't want it.
Yep.
He's usually pretty good at it. Like, he'll actually hit it with his finger. Like, the different keys. But he has to be in the mood to play it. Or he just eats it.
Yeah.